at the same time.
Walk in, okay?
Sparse, selective use of the C word versus liberal use of the B word. I'm not sure. It's like,
well, I don't do either of those, just to be clear. I don't never of women.
Oh my god! Holy... Oh my god! I look like my brother with a beard.
Oh my
goodness. You look like me without a beard.
So the app really works then?
It does.
Oh my god. Oh man, he went on red. Wow. He just went on red.
The cell phone tower thing I did a few months ago, where nobody seemed to believe me that I was going to put a cell phone tower in the backyard. So, I don't know.
What the f are you doing? You yield to people in the intersection, you dumb.
Different, or maybe I'll
Right.
Emergency video.
Whew.
You good?
You good?
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah, are you good?
I'm good.
I have, oh my, I have to scan each of them, and then I have to,
Roll down your window, I want to yell at them to get a better car.
no, I have to scan each of them, and then I have to, no. Boo!
Oh my god, the f***ing, like, American, it's a f***ing white guy.
No, okay, so
He's coming.
Oh, is he?
He's gonna get better taste in cars.
It's fine.
no, it's not. Oh, also,
Come say some shit in my face.
Pump one started,
Yeah, follow us. Go ahead.
Pump one started spraying gas out of the hose, because there was a hole in it.
He is gonna absolutely follow us. Where's the nearest police station?
Let's not do this, please.
Where is the nearest police station?
I don't know.
Look it up, please. I'm not driving home when he's like this on us.
You have your phone. My phone was...
Here.
Okay, I got my phone.
Alright.
It was just like almost dead.
It's fine. As long as we stay in the car, we're safe. And I have dash cam, so if he hits us, he hits us. Then we get a payout.
Okay, go here. This. My phone. The police stuff.
Thank you.
Yeah, just pull up into the police department
That's
and watch
what
what
you
he
do.
does.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, that's what I
He's
thought,
probably
asshole.
just leaving, but...
No. He's stopping us. Sure, go ahead. We're fine, I promise.
Yeah.
If we don't leave the car, we're good.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, didn't think so. Bro is like, has some issues.